Solutions Private Limited. Today we are discussing about joins in SQL. What is a join? Okay, joins are used to the main purpose of Joins are used to combine rows from combine the combine the rows from two or more tables tables two or more tables based on the related related column between them. Joins are used to combine the rows from two or more tables based on a related column between them. For example, now observing very clearly here, I am taking as a one table, employee ID, employee name, employee salary and department number. And then this is another table, D number, department name and D location. Okay, I want to retrieve the data from these two tables. Related, which one? One column. What is that column? Here I am using department number. Based upon the department number column, I want to retrieve the data from these two tables. Okay, joins are used to combine the rows from two or more tables based on a related column between them. Okay, next observing very clearly, joins allow to retrieve the data multiple tables in a database. Joins are allows to retrieve the data from multiple tables in the database. Purpose. What is the purpose of join? First one, combining the data. Combine the data to retrieve related data from multiple tables in a single query. To combine the data from the multiple tables, eliminating the redundancy. Eliminating the redundancy. Okay, observing very clearly what is the meaning of eliminating the redundancy. Instead of repeating data across multiple rows or tables, joins allow the database to store data in smaller related tables and combine them when needed. That means redundancy means to remove the duplicate data. We are storing only one row by using some joins concept. We are using like as left join, right join, different types of joins are there. Eliminating the data redundancy. Next one, data integrity. Data integrity. What is the meaning of data integrity? Joins are used to enforce the relationship between the tables. Data integrity. Okay, combining the data, eliminating the data redundancy, data integrity. This is the purpose of joins. Why we are using joins? Why we are using joins in SQL? Why we are using joins in SQL? First one is to achieve the efficiency. We can achieve the efficiency. efficiency. Okay, joins are help efficiently combine the data from different tables without needing to manually creating the relationship between them. That means without creating the relationship between these two or more tables manually, we can retrieving the data without any relationships also. Next one, normalization. Normalization. They allow the database to be normalized. That means related data is stored in the separate tables to avoid the duplication, and it maintain the consistency. That means normalization means without duplication. Okay, remove the duplications and it maintain the consistency. Remove the duplications, avoid the duplications, avoid the duplications, and to provide the data consistency. Next one, whenever we are using the complex queries, that means whenever we want to retrieving the data from multiple database tables, and I want to performing some queries on that particular data, that means complex queries. Whenever if you want to perform in the complex queries, in that situation, okay, we are using joins concept. Okay, for efficiency, normalization, in the complex query situation we are using joins. Okay, joins are used to combine the rows from two or more tables based on the related column between them. The purpose of joins combining the data from the multiple tables, eliminating the data redundancy and data integrity. Why we are using joins? Efficiency, normalization, and complex queries. What are the types of joins? Types of joins. Okay, first one is self join. Self join. What is the meaning of self join? To join a table itself. A join. What is the meaning of self join? A join where a table is joined with itself. A table, a table joined with itself. The type of join we are calling as a self join. Okay, this self join is useful for when we want to compare rows within the same table. Okay, if we want to compare rows or data, if you want to compare rows within the same table, within the same table, in that case, we are using self join. Self join, that is a self join. Next one is inner join. Inner join. Inner join. Okay, observing very clearly, retrieve the records that have matching values in both tables. Retrieve records, retrieve records that have matching, values, in both tables, both tables, observing very clearly. For suppose this is a one table and this is another table. Okay, now observing very clearly table T1 and table T2. I want to retrieving the matching data. Only this data we are retrieving. That is called inner join. That is called inner join. Okay, inner join. That is the inner join. Retrieve records that have matching values in both tables. If there is no match, the row will not appear in the result set. That means it return empty set. If there is no matching, it return empty set. Next one, outer join. Outer join. Here, this outer join can be categorized into three types, like as a left join, or some people we are calling as a left outer join, right join, or some people we are calling as a right outer join, right outer join. Next one, full join, full join, full join, or some people we are calling as a full outer join, full outer join. Outer join can be categorized into three types: left join, left outer join, right join, right outer join, full join, full outer join. Okay. Now observing very clearly what is meant by left join or left outer join. Left join or left outer join. Retrieve all records from the left table and the matched records from the right table. Retrieve all the records, all the records are rows from left table and to return the to return the and to retrieve and okay and next one, the matched records are rows from the right table. Retrieve all the records, are rows from left table and the matching records from the right table. If there is no match in the right table, the result will be written as a null value. Okay. Now simply here, this is a one table and this is another table. This is a table T1 and this is a table T2. Now it return left table all records under matching records. Under matching records. This is a left outer join. Left outer join. Left outer join. Okay. It return the left table completely and matching records from the right table. If there is no matching in the right table, it will be written as a null values. It will be written as a null values. Next coming to right outer join, retrieve all the records are rows from right table and the matched records are rows from the from the left table from the left table. Now observing very clearly, get T1 and T2, it return the right table completely and matching records from the left table. This is a right outer join, right outer join, right outer join. Next one, full join or full outer join. Retrieve all records. There is a match in either the left or right table. If there is no match, the result will contain the null. Retrieve all, retrieves all records. Retrieve all records when there is a match match in either left or right table. Right table. It written matching records either left table or right table. If there is no match, the result will be written as a null value. Okay, next one, cross join. Cross join. Cross join. Okay, it written as a Cartesian product of the two tables. It returns the Cartesian product. Cartesian product. Cartesian product of the two tables. Two tables. That means it will return all possible combinations. It will return all possible combinations combinations possible combinations of rows from both tables. Okay, this is generally used when you want to generate all combinations of records from both tables. In that situation, cross join we are using, but this result is very large result set. It return very large return result. These are the joins. If anybody any doubt, please clarify your doubts. Thank you guys. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.